Hi, I'm Anusha. I make videos related to beauty and lifestyle. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to click that subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be reviewing the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I have been using this product from the past 1 month. So I am going to be mentioning everything about this product, like the ingredients of the product, to which skin type this product will suit. And this is an expensive product, right? So I'll also mention that whether it is worth your investment or not, because some products are good but the pricing is such that even though they are good, they are not worth your investment. So I'll mention whether this product is worth your money or not. If you want to know all the details, please stay tuned till the end. First, let's cover the basics of this product. It comes in a huge 454 grams tub. Actually, they have 3 different sizes in this product. One is 50 grams and the other one is 177, and this one is 454 grams. Actually, the other two comes in tube packaging. This one comes in tub packaging. Even though I have not tried CeraVe before, I opted for the tub because by seeing the texture of the product, I felt like I'll love the product, and I like to see the product as a whole. In a tube packaging you cannot see the whole product, but in a tub packaging you can see that. So I opted for this. I am like that. Seeing skincare products in a tub, feeling the texture, feeling them makes me so much happy. So I opted for the tub packaging, and I paid 2400 for this product. Coming to the texture of this product, it has silky moisturizer kind of texture. It feels like if you mix the regular moisturizer with some amount of a little bit of Vaseline, how it feels silky, smooth. It has got that kind of texture. It has very mild soothing fragrance. Even though it do not have any added fragrance, it is coming from the ingredients itself. After opening of this product, you have to finish this tub within 12 months. Coming to the ingredients of this product, it has water as base of the product. Then as the second ingredient, we have glycerin. Glycerin is a very good humectant and it will hold water onto the skin. Then after that, we have couple of emollients like citral alcohol, caprylic triglyceride, cetyl alcohol. These are all very good emollients. They will replenish the skin and they will provide good moisture into the skin. And after that, we have petrolatum. Petrolatum is a very good ingredient. Some people think petrolatum is a bad ingredient because it's been bad mouthed for no reason at all. But do you know petrolatum is an FDA approved skin protectant? It is approved by FDA. It is safe to be used around the eyes also. It is one of the most non-sensitizing emollients we have ever known. The scientific data and the research and the decades of experience suggest that petrolatum is a very good ingredient in the skin. It will help to moisturize the skin. It will help to replenish the skin. If you have dry or very dry skin, petrolatum is your best friend. It will prevent moisture loss from the skin. So petrolatum is very good ingredient. Don't think that petrolatum is a bad ingredient at all. And then after that, we have dimethicone. Again, dimethicone is a type of silicone. It is also very good ingredient. It is also provides good amount of moisture into the skin. Then after that, we have phenoxyethanol, which is a preservative. The other important ingredients after phenoxyethanol are, we have 3 types of ceramides. They are ceramide NP, ceramide AP and ceramide EOP. Ceramides are very good to protect your skin barrier. I have explained in depth about the ceramides and skin barrier in my Formula RX video. I'll leave a link here. The other important ingredient is phytospingosane. Phytospingosane is also a part of skin's natural defense system. It is also naturally found in skin. Then after that, we have cholesterol. Cholesterol is also very important lipid that is found in the skin barrier. And we have tocopherol, which is a good antioxidant. The formulation is very simple. We have not got any actives or any plant-based ingredients. We have not got any those kind of stuff. It is a very basic, simple and effective kind of formulation. We have got good skin barrier supportive ingredients like ceramide NP, AP, ceramide EOP, phytospingosane and cholesterol. If you have irritated skin, itchy skin, dry skin, flaky skin, these ingredients will come into rescue. Now coming to my experience with this product, I told you right, I have been using this product from the past 1 month. When I don't want to do any skincare steps after cleansing, I'll just reach out to this product. I'll apply this and I feel I am sorted. for that day, because it is hydrating, it is very moisturizing, and my skin feels very soothing after applying this product, and it is making my skin very soft and supple. I like that feeling very much. These kind of products comes really handy when your skin is dry or very dry. And the other situation is when your skin is irritated, because when your skin is irritated, you don't know to which ingredient or which active or which plant-based ingredient your skin will react. So in those kind of situations, these type of moisturizers will come really handy. This is simple, non-irritating and soothing kind of moisturizer. So if you have dry or very dry skin, you can happily use this moisturizer throughout the year. If you have combination or normal skin, use this moisturizer in winter. If you have oily skin, you may feel that your skin is getting suffocated under this product, you can try their moisturizing lotion. They have also got lotion with similar formulation, you can try that. But if you have normal combination dry or very dry skin, go for this product. It is very moisturizing but absorbs very beautifully into the skin. It is not thick or heavy at all. The absorbency is really nice, but it is very moisturizing, soothing and hydrating also. You have got everything you need for a good effective kind of moisturizer. I love it very much. Is it worth 2400 for 450 grams of product? See, you are paying 2400 for 454 grams. So if you calculate for 1 gram, you have to pay around 5 rupees 20 paisa. If you calculate it for 50 grams, you have to pay around 260 rupees. 50 grams is the standard size of moisturizers available in India. You are paying 260 rupees for 50 grams of product, or it is around 520 rupees for 100 grams of product. So this is kind of affordable product itself, but the thing is you have to pay some lump sum amount in the first step itself. With other moisturizers you can pay a little bit and still get the product, but if you have to get this product, it is an upfront investment. If you have saved some money and if you are willing to buy it, I am telling you, it is worth an investment. If you have dry or very dry skin, you will enjoy this product like anything. If you have combination or normal, try the smaller sizes of this product. They come around 1400-1500 rupees for 177 grams, and the 50 grams retails for around 700 to 800 rupees. So first try that. If you have oily skin, simply skip this product. So I feel it's worth an investment. But if you want a dupe for this product, I don't say it is exactly a dupe, but it is a good alternative for CeraVe, that is the Earth Rhythm Phytoceramide Moisturizer. It has also got similar texture, but the Earth Rhythm one is slightly thicker than this one, but the absorbency is good for that one also, and it is soothing also, and it has got good amount of ceramides in the formulation. But in addition to that, it has also got plant extract. So formulation wise there are little bit differences here and there, but soothing effect wise, the texture wise, and the kind of moisturization they provides, it is a good alternative to CeraVe, but it is not a dupe. I have used so many moisturizers, but I feel this is a very unique one. Coming to the texture, the feel it gives on the skin, I feel it is quite an unique kind of moisturizer. Do give it a try. I loved it, and I have ordered their salicylic acid smoothing cleanser also. So let's see how my experience goes with that one also. With that, I am wrapping up today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, please give it a like, also share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that will help me a lot. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.